Alright, here we are at Liverpool and Galerías in Monterrey, Mexico. And these elevators here, they were Otis Lexan, but I never got to ride on them. But, so, guess what the brand is? It sounds like a Fujiita. Wow, I like this. When I came around here in 2019, these elevators were remodernized. And here comes this one. And that's where you get your hand sanitizer. And it should open up. We got two of them up here. We're gonna ride this one. So, and then anyways, well, S1, PB, or it says Sinergman. Right there are the escalators. The S1 is locked. Gonna go up to 2.
Piso planta baja. Abriendo puertas.
Wow, I like that voice.
Subiendo.
Right there's the other car. Whoa! I want to take this thing for just another ride because I'm enjoying this.
Piso 2. Abriendo puertas.
I want to get that lady on a picture. Let's look through the doors. Going down. I don't want to get that lady on a picture. Alright. Got the 2 right there.
Piso planta baja. Abriendo puertas.
Alright. Just get your cab now. Only 4 people allowed.
Subiendo.
Nice elevator. Here are your fixtures. Someone's getting on.
Piso 1. Abriendo puertas.
¿Sube?
No, voy a bajar.
Es que estoy subiendo.
Okay.
Va a tener que tomar el otro elevador. I like those fixtures.
Subiendo. Piso 2.
I like that chime and the voice.
Abriendo puertas.
Opening doors. And way down there is the shaft. Well, there you have it. There it goes. And that's it.